So today we're going to talk about Snomed CT, and we're going to talk about the six words that can define one term. And the way that I remember it is the RAIDHC. And basically, take for example R. This is a relationship. And the relationship of this is that, arthropathy is sort of a joint finding. And that's a relationship for that term. An attribute is sort of the laterality. Say, for example, you have a bacterial pneumonia. Is there a lobe that's associated with it? Where is it? So those are two. If you take a look at concepts, there's a concept associated with it, and there's a hierarchy that's associated with the actual term. A example of a concept is that, is it a substance? Is it a qualifier value? Is it a record artifact? Is it a situation with explicit context? Those are sort of the concepts. Hierarchy will tell you, for example, pneumonia. What kind of pneumonia is it? Is it a viral pneumonia? Is it a bacterial pneumonia? What kind of pneumonia? So those are the RA. Then you can talk to the descriptions of, sort of heart failure. Is it a weak heart? Is it cardiac failure? Is it myocardial failure? What's the description of it? Then you have an identifier, which is easy. It's sort of it's just a number. And we've talked about hierarchy, and we've talked about concepts. So there's six. And so you should know that Snomed is run by this nonprofit called the IHTDSO, and you can get there by just www.ihtdso.org. This is a nonprofit that owns Snomed, and there's about 50 countries that use this. And it has around 311,000 concepts.